Welcome to Las Vegas Smarter Kung Fu channel. This is 师傅 JJ. Today, lesson 2 of Ditangquan. So, as we know, Ditangquan is jumping on the floor or flipping and falling to the ground. And someone asked why we are falling with no reason, we just fall and get up. Actually, this is a protection form. It's a technique to protect you to fall with correct technique without injuries. So, let's go. So let's quick review the content from lesson 1. We know Ditangquan is hard kung fu. Your body take a lot impact when you're falling to the ground. So very important is the technique to protect you without injure to fall correctly. So in first lesson we're learning side fall, we're learning front fall. But in this lesson we got to learning another 2 technique, the back fall and also the jumping inside fall, also is called the tornado kick fall. So the side fall like this. The side fall. Front fall. So how's the back fall look like? Let's find out. If you have a mat like this in home, that'd be perfect. So be safe. Follow me step by step. The back fall have 2 ways. So you fall on your back. You can be totally flat. Or you can to learning the easy way, that is optional, right? So let's see the first one, you fall flat. You go boom, 1, and you go 2. So you go chin up, you go back much as possible and bend your back. And you feel you're close to the ground and you go this way. So your both hands are hitting and you quick, you go chin down and you landing by this part and actually also the heel. It's not your back. So that's the technique is very important. You don't want hurt your back. So your back is very important. So those falling is technical. It's not easy. But you got to take steps and do it right so you can do it. So let's just say another way for back fall. So this one should be easier. So mostly this one connect with a hammer. Hammer fist. So after you go a kick, right? And you fall back, right? So let's say this how to work. So you go 1 and you go kick, boom, you fall. You same time when you fall, you're very important. You both hand to hit the floor. You say you leave your back, this part empty, and this leg gotta be stay strong, and this leg on the front. So you can fall like this. Common problem. A lot of people they do the hammer after they go kick. They landing their butt first. Actually, this is even more dangerous. Why? So because you say this, right? So you go kick and you're landing your butt. So with this way, so you can really easier injure your back. So the right way to do is you after the kick. So after the kick, you go bend your leg. You go down, go low as possible, and go low as possible. Almost you got hit the floor. You go boom. So open your hip and open your stomach so you can fall flat without to landing your butt or your back. So say this. So you go right there. So you go kick. You go down and you go. You see your hand actually go to protect you, and then you go your hip and then your back go up like this. So this is pretty safe. So the next movement, the tornado kick fall, the most popular movement in the film. So for the tornado kick fall, if you want to achieve this one, the first you need to know the jumping inside kick, the tornado kick. So let's follow me now. So the first move, you got to open your leg and you both hand on the top. And tight up if you can take off your right. Only this leg, right? So you got to again, so you go 1 and your arm from the right and go up. This is step 1. The step 2, you're going to bend this leg, go up. Go up. Perfect. So step 3 and rotate. Perfect. Great. So your arm, that's very important. Jump. So from down, go up to make your body rotate. Okay, let's go the number 4 steps. So get this, get ready, a swing, and you go 1, 2, 3, and 4. So number 4 is the kick. So inside kick, you kick from this. You see, from outside up and go this way. And the slap kick is optional if you're a beginner. So let's do this. You see, this is the kick. So you go up this way, inside kick, we call it. So you go slap, just help you have more impact. So now we're learning how to fall with the tornado kick. So as you're learning, and then you practice your tornado kick, stop, and you're landing your both feet, and you go lean this side, your body lean this side, and you bend your left leg and fall like this way. So like straight, this is eventually will be kick like a one move. This eventually just like a one move. You're gonna kick and fall down like this. So now let's make the 2 move become the 1 move. So for the tornado kick, instead you're landing straight. Now I want you go open your hip, you kick as far as possible. Alright, so I set target in my right side. So this is the target I got to kick to. So now I do my jumping inside kick. Now I do my tornado kick. So I swing my arm and I go boom, kick. So once I go kick, so now I got to kick this target. So with my jumping inside kick, so I got to swing and you go boom. So I kick right there. And now is the time you make this 2 move become 1 with the falling. So once you rotate with your kick, you rotate, you got to jump inside kick. Once you kick this, you open your hip, your body lean this way, and in the air, you have to bend your left leg. So that's the kick. In the air, you have to bend and you fall like this. So with the way practice, you need to be safe. So follow me for the last step. Let's do this. You got ready, and you go, hey! You say, I'm landing my body lean to this way, and fall flat. If you want to make this 100% 1 move, and you just don't landing your left leg, after the kick in the air, you just fall flat. That's the last one. Ready? And go! Bam! So that's the move. Eventually you're gonna be your hand flat, you kick flat. That's great. Thank you very much for watching. So remember, your safety is very important. So training at home, find something can help you to stay safe and stay positive, stay motivated, and then training hard. I see you in next video. Thank you very much and bye bye. Bye.